Before navigation apps like Waze or Google Maps existed, finding one's way relied entirely on memory, physical maps, and human guidance. Travelers needed to plan routes carefully, study printed maps, and memorize landmarks along the way. Street names, highways, and intersections were learned in advance, and missing a turn often meant stopping to ask for directions. Road trips required patience and preparation, as detours or wrong turns could add hours to a journey. People commonly used paper maps, sometimes unfolding large sheets across car hoods to chart the route. Map reading was a skill that required understanding scales, symbols, and compass directions. Early drivers often relied on atlas books that contained detailed drawings of roads and towns, but these could be outdated or inaccurate. Memorizing landmarks such as gas stations, rivers, or buildings was crucial, especially in rural areas without street signs. Asking locals for directions was a common practice. This not only provided guidance, but also encouraged interaction with strangers, creating a sense of community. However, answers could be inconsistent, requiring travelers to cross-check multiple sources. Road signs and highway markers helped, but before standardized signage became widespread, navigation often depended on intuition and experience. In cities, navigation relied heavily on prior familiarity. People needed to remember one-way streets, traffic patterns, and shortcuts. Getting lost was common for newcomers, and public transportation required understanding timetables and station layouts without digital aids. In some cases, businesses printed their own directional pamphlets, and roadside billboards served as navigational cues. Even professionals like taxi drivers or delivery services had to develop exceptional memory and spatial awareness. They learned multiple routes, estimated travel times, and adjusted quickly to unexpected changes. This skill was honed over years of experience, creating a strong mental map of the city or region. Traveling without apps also meant planning for emergencies. Fuel stops, rest areas, and accommodations were checked in advance to prevent getting stranded. Trips required flexibility, patience, and sometimes creative problem-solving. The absence of real-time traffic updates meant that delays, construction, or accidents could not be avoided easily. Life before Waze was slower, more deliberate, and demanded active engagement with the environment. While modern navigation apps have made travel more efficient, understanding the old methods highlights the human ability to adapt and navigate using memory, observation, and resourcefulness. Hope you enjoy this video, and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.